Number 6 Tango Romeo, fly runway heading, runway 34, clear for takeoff. 41 uniform, runway 34, clear to land, Coswork turbine, citation departure head.
Airline roll size, 24 uniform.
Some Fox at 755.
Sunset Fox, shot you clear through the Dallas Love Bravo airspace.
Good to Bravo, 97 Fox.
From 6 Tango Romeo, contact regional departure, we'll see you.
Departure, 6 Tango Romeo, thanks.
For 5 Foxtrot Golf, your traffic you're following, you're doing about double their speed, they're about a mile final. And runway 34, clear to land.
34, clear to land, slow down, 5 Foxtrot Golf.
97 Foxtrot, whenever you do start that base turn, just square the base turn for me, traffic's in a hold position, depart prior to your arrival.
97 Foxtrot, I'll square that base.
Scully 51, you can begin descent, continue downwind, I'll call base.
Alright, I can descend, you got the base, got 51.
Addison Tower, Sky Counter 552 out, 500.
November 9552 Alpha, Addison Tower, roger, enter the right base, runway 34.
345.
For 5 Foxtrot Golf, just want to verify clear to land.
5 Foxtrot Golf, affirmative, you're number 1 now, traffic's just touching down.
Traffic site, number 1, clear to land, 5 Foxtrot Golf.
Four uniforms, parking turbine.
41 uniform, turn right, Golf, taxi Alpha to turbine, monitor ground point 6.
Good night.
Addison Tower, Starlight 0 Golf Romeo, holding short of 3-4, ready for departure for the short tour.
120 Golf Romeo, Addison Tower, have you in sequence?
In sequence, Royal Golf Romeo.
97 Foxtrot, expect your clearance short, final traffic's in a hold-up position, depart prior to your arrival.
Understood, 97 Fox.
November 10 Juliet Kilo, runway 34, line up and wait, traffic 2 mile final, Cherokee.
Line up, wait, 34.
Scully 51, you can begin base.
Turn to the base now, Skip.
5-2 Alpha, just square your base.
Hotel Alpha Victor, monitor ground point 6, 5 Foxtrot Golf.
Wind 35010, gust 16. November 0 Julie Kilo, turn right heading 090, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Right to 090, clear for takeoff, 34, Julie.
97 Foxtrot, runway 34, clear to land, traffic's rolling now.
34, clear to land, traffic inside, 97 Fox.
Gust 51, runway 34, clear to land. Number 2, traffic you're following is on a half-mile final doing 60 knots.
Go 61, 34, clear to land.
5-2 Alpha, you can begin the descent, runway 34, clear to land. Number 3, traffic you're following is a Seminole just north of 635.
Begin descent, 34, clear to land, number 3, looking for that traffic, 5-2 Alpha.
Wind 350 at 11, gust 16.
Tower 5-2 Alpha, we got it.
Thanks. Zero Julie Kilo, contact regional departure, we'll see you.
Going to departure 0 Julie Kilo.
97 Foxtrot, note await a Foxtrot, turn right Foxtrot, and where are you parking?
Totally Fox, I'm going to Tango, 97 Fox.
97 Foxtrot, taxi Alpha Tango, monitor ground point 6.
Alpha to Tango, monitor ground point 6, 97 Fox.
Skyline 51, turn right at Foxtrot, you parking Millionaire?
Yeah, turn right at Foxtrot, we're going to be parking the Millionaire.
Skyline 51, you can taxi Alpha to Millionaire, monitor ground on point 6.
Alright.